It's too fucking early, but anything for beauty, bitch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you already know me, hello. And if you don't, oh my god, hi, how are you? Hi, it's nice to see you here. So it's really fucking early, but it's okay because I'm really excited because guess what, bitch?
I'm going to BeautyCon. I'm going to BeautyCon.
So it's BeautyCon day 1. So I wanted to film a little get ready with me, but listen to me. I cannot tell you, hey, I'm gonna use this because I don't have time for that right now. And also there is a loud ass construction next to my place and my microphone has no battery, so that's great. That's just great. Like, I still don't know what I'm gonna do for my makeup, so I really don't know what to say. This is gonna be a little get ready with me. Just pull out your makeup, do your makeup with me. As I do my makeup, I'm gonna put a little music on the background so you can jam with me. And we can do our makeup together and I'll show you the finished result. Yeah, boom. Let's just start. like a Barbie mariposa vibe. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Like, oh my god, so pretty. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got ready with me as well, and I'll tell you all the details about BeautyCon on my Instagram stories. It's probably already passed when I upload this video, but it's gonna be a little highlight on my IG stories so you can see everything that happened at BeautyCon. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my beautiful face. And I'll see you in another video. Bye, bitches.